Neuroanatomy of ALS. Degeneration of upper and lower motor neurons, resulting in impairment voluntary movement, controls voluntary movement, disrupt brain muscle communication, and lead to weakness, atrophy, loss of motor control, sensory system preserved. The etiology and pathology is unknown exact cause. It can be sporadic, the 90 to the 95%, and can be genetic, 5 or 10%. It's linking the linking gene is SODT and C9ORF72. Motor neurons degeneration lead to decreased signal transmissions. Muscle denervation leads to progressive weakness. And the progression is progressive and irreversible. The onset, the start on the limb, the weakness in the limb, bulbar, speech and swallowing, spread systematically, advance lead to respiratory problems, lead to cause. This can be the cause of death. The symptoms in motor have weakness, spasticity, hyperflexia, fascicular tension, and atrophy, functional decrease coordination, decrease ADL performance, um, have problem in dysarthria, dysphagia, respiratory decline. The population is common in adults from 40 to 70, um, 55 to 75. It's slightly increasing in males than women. Adult onset condition and impact roles on work independence. In the assessment, we have the ALS functional rating scale revised, mature disease progression and functional decline, the FIM, the functional independence mature, uh, measure the level of independence in ADLs, the active mature for post-acute care, assess the functional performance in daily activity, the Montreal Cognitive Assessment, screen for cognitive impairment, and the assessment for swallowing and respiratory test. The safety of the is high. They have high risk of fall. Fatigue leads to limit over connection, over uh, over erection. Sorry, aspiration risk, dysphagia. Monitor breathing in endurance. They have problem in focus. Also, we have to work in energy conservation, adaptation, safety. There are problem with the visual area. The motor neuron pathway then diagram show upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron degeneration, the brain, the spinal cord, and muscular dysfunction. They have impact in ADLs like in dressing. They have decreased fine motor, bottom zipper, routine disrupted, need assistance and need advice um, requirements. They have muscular weakness and fatigue. In feeding, they decrease grip and coordination longer, the meal and longer, so decrease social participation, adaptive resilience, and dysphagia and aspiration risk. In bathing during bath, decrease strength imbalance, fatigue limit the frequency, need supervision, fatigue equipment need is needed, and increase the follow risk. Thank you.